Hi everybody, I'm Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing Santiago by Belle Tress. Stay tuned. So this is Santiago by Belle Tress, one of their most popular styles from the City Collection. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So here she is. Let's take her out and take a look at the cap. So here she is, Santiago by Belle Tress in Crushed Almond Blonde. This is actually my favorite color. Let's take a look at the cap. This has the standard City Collection features. It has the wefted cap with the extended nape, Velcro adjusters, the felt or velvet ear tabs with the metal stays. She has an extended lace front and a left mono part. So here she is. What a beauty. I love this color. I love the loose waves, almost like a loose curl on this one. This one reminds me of the Icons collection, Kelly, another one of Belle Tress's. I think probably the most popular style that they have out right now, and it's still sold out. So this is kind of like a Kelly. If you've been looking for Kelly, Santiago might be a good option for you. And also because this is part of the City Collection, it is at a lower price point. So we'll go ahead and put her on and come back and show you what she looks like right out of the box. So here's Santiago right out of the box. I've not shaken her out. I haven't done anything to her. She looks pretty good actually. There's a couple things I'll need to do. I will shake her out, probably work with this little face flopping piece a little bit, and then I will be back to show you what she looks like. But again, the Belle Tress fibers are always amazing. Very luxurious, silky. Caps fit true to average. Fits my head really well. We'll play with her a little bit and then I'll show you what she looks like. Again, this is Santiago by Belle Tress in Crushed Almond Blonde. So I shook her out a little bit, exposed the part line. Take a look at this lace front. Belle Tress does a really wonderful job with their lace fronts. Shook her out, took a wide tooth comb to loosen the curls just a little bit. Sprayed a little bit of water on the top, hit it with my blow dryer because I don't like things in my face. We will let this cool a little bit and I will show you what she looks like. As of the date of this video, Santiago is in stock with the manufacturer, and we actually have several on our website that are discounted and they are available for immediate shipping. So visit us at camillescrowncloset.com, and thanks for watching.